Lawn mowing tips you need to know when starting your lawn care business, presented by makeitabusiness.com. Using your lawnmower properly increases the density of the lawn, which decreases weeds. Each type of grass has a recommended mowing height. Only mow 1/3 of the grass blade. Stick to the 1/3 rule. Never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade length when you mow. A healthy lawn can survive an occasional close cut. However, routine close mowing produces a brown lawn and has several harmful side effects, including injury to the crown, where new growth generates and nutrients are stored. It also reduces the surface area of the blade, making it unable to produce food through photosynthesis. This increases vulnerability to pests and disease. Be mindful of the weather. Mow when the grass is dry. Dry grass clippings won't stick and clump. Avoid mowing in the heat of the day to prevent heat stress on your grass and yourself. Keep mower blades sharp and balanced. Ragged cuts made by dull blades increase the chances of disease and pests. Change the mowing pattern each time you mow. Grass develops a grain based on your cutting direction, tending to lean towards the direction you mow. Alternating your mowing pattern causes upright growth and helps you avoid producing ruts in the lawn. Always mow in a forward direction. Consider using a mulching lawnmower or mulching kit on your current mower. Grass cycling returns nutrients and nitrogen to the lawn. Remember to discharge the clippings unless you bag them towards the area you've already cut. When mulching, avoid clumps or rows forming. Grass clippings should spread evenly in a light layer. If you bag your clippings, consider composting them with a composter. Mow your grass higher in shaded areas under trees. In these areas, grass competes with tree roots for water and nutrients. Reduce mowing frequency and raise the mowing height of cool season grasses when hot, dry weather slows their growth rate. How to mow a new or young lawn. Newly seeded grass needs 3 to 4 weeks to get established after germination before you should mow it for the first time. The grass blades are tender and easily damaged, and the foot and mower traffic could compact the soil, especially if it's moist. Mow when the new grass is 3/4 inch to 1 inch taller than its recommended regular mowing height. Final tips to remember. Clear debris from the area you'll be mowing. Keep children, pets, and others away from the mowing area. Don't remove or alter discharge chutes or any other safety attachments on your lawnmower. Wear appropriate clothing and footwear. Wear eye protection and hearing protection and any other safety gear specified by the manufacturer. If you use a riding lawn mower, don't carry passengers. Pre-season and post-season mower maintenance will prolong the life of your mowing machines and produce a better-looking lawn. On a gasoline-powered mower, unplug the spark plug wire S as instructed in the manual. If you have an electric mower, disconnect it from its power supply. Keep weather conditions, heat, cold, drought, in mind whenever you mow. Let's look at the cool season grass mowing heights. Now let's look at the warm season grass mowing heights. Want to start your lawn care business today? Become a lawn care pro in 7 days with our step-by-step course. Learn how to create your business and get your first 30 customers. Check out makeitabusiness.com today.